Whenever we create a dashboard in Excel, the final dashboard looks very simple, but actually a lot of work happens behind it. First, we need to clean the dataset, then we create formulas, calculate KPIs, make pivot tables, add charts, and finally prepare the dashboard. And after doing all this, we still need to understand what action should be taken from the data. This complete process can easily take a few hours, but today I will upload this raw Excel file into an AI tool and check whether it can perform the analysis and prepare a structured output for me. The tool we are using is called hiData AI Sheets. So let's move to the browser screen, and you can notice right now I am on the official website of hiData.ai. Simply you can search on Google hiData.ai and you can click on the link and you will get this landing page, and then you can click on login and you can create your login just by your Google account, or you can simply click on sign up. For now I'm just doing with my Google account. Let's click on this and let's select the Google account, and let's see now what we will get. We will get the landing page of hiData AI Sheets. You can notice we have selected here AI Sheets, and we can use this hiData for our Excel work, for AI slides, for AI table creator, or for AI report. So for today we are exploring about this hiData, how we can use this AI Sheets aspect by using one Excel campaign dataset. Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Agarwal and welcome to Short and Clear Excel. This video is sponsored by hiData, but as always I will show you the actual practical use of the tool so that you can understand where it can be useful. For this example, I have created an Excel file containing data from 100 global marketing campaigns. If you will notice, so this is the data set and here we have 100 campaigns from global marketing. So how we can create interactive dashboard from this dataset, this we are going to learn today by using one amazing AI tool, that is hiData.ai. So this data contains like campaign country. If you will notice, we have the country here, we have the region, we have the advertising channel. If you will notice, we have the impressions. If you will scroll right, we have the clicks, we have the leads, we have the conversion, we have the campaign spend, and we have the revenue part also. So these are our main important columns, and we have other columns also which are also relevant for this data set, but these are important columns that is used in the calculations and other aspects. So for now our main objective is to analyze the data and understand which campaign are performing well and which campaign requires improvement. Normally, if I have to analyze this data in Excel, I will first check whether the data is clean. After that, I may create formulas for CTR, conversion rate, profit, ROI, cost per click, cost per conversion. Then I will create multiple pivot tables, one pivot table for country wise analysis, another for channel wise analysis, then campaign wise performance. After then, I will create KPIs and charts. So yes, Excel can definitely do all this, but the complete process required time and proper Excel knowledge. Now let us see how hiData AI Sheets handle this dataset. So let's open hiData AI Sheets and I will try to upload this dataset. So for now I will close this. Let's move to this hiData screen. And you can see I have selected here hiData AI Sheets option, and we have this attachment option here. We can click on this and I will choose the file from the location where I have this data set. So I'm selecting this data set and I will click on open, and it will upload now this data set. So that's how I can upload my Excel or CSV file and explain my requirement in simple language. So right now I've uploaded this data set. This file contains 100 campaign records from different countries and marketing channels. Instead of creating formulas manually, I will give now one detailed instruction to hiData. So I have already ready the prompt that we can use in this scenario, and I'm just pasting this prompt and I will just read it loud. So we have to analyze this complete marketing campaign dataset, calculate total spend, total revenue, total profit, and overall ROI Also calculate CTR, conversion rate, cost per click, and cost per conversion. Compare the performance by region, country, marketing channel, and campaign category wise. Identify the best performing and weakest campaign. Create KPI summaries, charts, important findings, and recommended business actions. Classify the markets into scale, accelerate, fix, and monitor categories. Do not assume or create any values that are not available in the source data. This is the prompt that I've given to this hiData AI sheet scenario, and I've just pasted this prompt, and let's click on send and let's see what will be the result. So it will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes to analyze your dataset and create the dashboard for you. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes and let's see what will be our final result. So hopefully I will just fast forward this video so it will save your time. And bingo, it's done now. If you will notice, we have on the screen the complete analysis and the HTML dashboard and full this analysis in the Excel file. Let's download this analysis first and let's see what we are getting in this analysis. So let's click on this analysis part, and you can notice we have the proper analysis and we have the different sheets. So we have the total spend, total revenue, total profit, overall ROI, ROI percentage, ROS, then we have total impression, total clicks, total leads, total conversion, CTR, conversion rate, cost per click, cost per conversion, average revenue, and it is a full analysis with the headline findings. And if you will notice in other sheet also, we had by region, by country, by channel, by category, best campaigns, weakest campaign, market classification we have for different countries. If you will notice, we have the findings and actions that we can take from this data set. You can notice we have the entire proper analysis from by using this amazing tool that is hiData AI Sheets. So if you will notice, this is just a analysis part. Now let me show you what is the dashboard, where's the dashboard. Now I will show you what is the HTML dashboard that is created by this hiData AI Sheets. You can notice in the right side we have the entire dashboard where the money works and where it does not. So we are getting the KPIs. You can notice total spend, total revenue, total profit, overall ROI, CTR, CPC. We have all these things. The portfolio at a glance we have the visualization section, which is very attractive. You can notice we have the region and country wise performance. If you will notice in the right side also we have more visuals, profit by country. We have here revenue share by channel. If I will just scroll down, we have engagement efficiency by channel. If you will scroll left, we have ROI by channel. We have profit and CPA by campaign category. So we have the entire analysis that we need to understand this data and to take any decision. So you can notice this tool is very beneficial if you are just dealing with the SaaS data, or if you are dealing with MIS data, or if you are dealing with this campaign type of data or any other data set. You can simply analyze by using this hiData AI Sheets. So even you can notice this is fully interactive dashboard. Let me show you. So if I will just scroll down more, we have more visualization part, and we have the findings and recommendations, recommended actions also, you can notice. So this is the entire dashboard created by hiData only, hiData AI Sheet feature. And this is insane scenario. You can notice we can create any type of report from this HTML dashboard. If you want to ask some questions related to your dataset, that also you can ask. So here we can understand which country are generating better returns, which country are not performing as expected. The market are also divided into different action categories. So let me show you what are the categories we have here. So let's scroll down and let's scroll right. Yeah, so here you can notice we have this analysis. I will just show you this market scoreboard, and which is the part of the dashboard. You can notice we have the scale, accelerate, fix, and monitor, because I've given these 4 categories in the prompt. So that's why we are getting like this. Scale means the market is already performing well and may be ready for more improvement, and Accelerate means the market is showing good potential. Fix means the performance is weak and requires improvement. And monitor means we should continue tracking the market before taking a major decision. So this classification makes the analysis easier to understand. If you will notice, we have the proper analysis and we are easily able to understand this data set, and we have the scatter plot also, you can notice. So this is how we can use this amazing tool. Because only seeing revenue and ROI is not enough nowadays, we should also understand what action can be taken based on those numbers. So we are getting all the charts, and even if you want to ask some questions from this hiData AI sheet feature, you can even ask the questions that required. Let's say I want to ask which, I will type here, which marketing channel is giving the best conversion rate. So let's ask this question. So all the context that you have already provided, you have already shared the data set. So this is how you can get your solution by using this hiData AI sheet feature. And you can notice just by asking one question, I'm getting the entire scenario that I need. You can notice now we have email convert clicks into customer far better than any other channel. So email is the best channel we have in this case. So we have correct CVR 7.67%, and the context also we have for this entire question. So let's ask one more question here. I will type here, create a short management summary from the complete analysis. Because maximum time when we are doing analysis, we have to show to the management. So we can just create this analysis, or we can create the short management summary by using this hiData also. We can simply ask the question in normal language. There's no requirement to type the difficult words or anything else. It will be understand by this hiData AI tool, and you will get your result. Let's wait for a while and let's see what will be the result. And it's done. You can notice we have the marketing campaign performance summary for the management, and the entire summary we have. You can simply review the summary and you can share to management, right? So this is how we can create the summary also by using this amazing tool that is hiData AI sheets. Now, another useful part is that the output is not available only as a normal chatbot answer. We have already seen we are already getting the dashboard, HTML dashboard. We have the marketing campaign analysis here. So hiData can create structured sheets containing calculations. If you will notice, I already have the calculations here in this marketing campaign analysis. And we have by region, country, by channel, by category, by best campaign, weakest campaign, market classification, and finding and actions. So we can review the generated workbook and use the output for further reporting. So instead of starting from a completely blank Excel workbook, we already have a structured first version of the analysis. After that, we can validate the numbers, make any required changes, and improve the final dashboard. Now, I am not saying that hiData will completely replace Excel. Excel is still important because we need it for final checking, custom calculation, formatting, and detailed reporting. But hiData can make the first stage of analysis much faster. Instead of spending time creating every formula and pivot table from the beginning, we can first generate a structured analysis using AI. Then we can use our Excel knowledge to verify and improve the final output. This can especially useful for small business owners who want to analyze sales and expense data, marketing teams working with campaign reports, e-commerce businesses working with orders, advertising, and inventory files, and consultants or analysts who regularly receive large Excel files from clients. So one important thing, whenever you use an AI tool for data analysis, always verify the important calculation. AI can save time, but the final responsibility is still with us. So before taking any financial or business decision, check the source data, formulas, and generated recommendations properly. So now you can try hiData AI sheets using the link available in the first three lines of the video description and in the pinned comment. To redeem 1 month hiData trial benefits, it is limited to 200 slots. So go and click on the link and check out for 1 month free. You will get the subscription for 1 month free when you will click on my link, and it will be free for 1 month to do trial and to create the analysis, to create the dashboard, and it will definitely solve your multiple scenarios while using Excel, and while you're dealing with the data to take multiple decision, and when you want to represent any data set or any dashboard to your management. So try to use this hiData. And one more thing, you can simply upload your Excel or CSV file and explain what type of analysis you need. Go and try this hiData right now and try to create your interactive dashboard and reports and create the analysis that you need. And make sure you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, that is short and clear Excel channel, for more practical videos related to Excel, Power BI and AI tools. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned with me.